Hey, welcome back. This week's video is how to make really easy chocolate chai cupcakes. Let's get started. First, start by steeping a few chai tea bags in half a cup of boiling water. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Add the dry ingredients into a large bowl and whisk until combined. Then add the milk, eggs, oil, and vanilla. Mix well for a few minutes by hand until combined. Lastly, add the tea and mix again until combined. Fill your cupcake liners and bake for about 15 minutes. Set aside to cool while making the frosting. To make the frosting, place 2 or more chai tea bags into a cup along with some star anise and cinnamon if you have it. Steep in a little bit of water, about 2 or 3 tablespoons, just for a stronger concentrate this time. Then, to a large bowl, add the softened butter and beat with an electric mixer until light and fluffy. Sift in the icing sugar and beat until combined and fluffy. Lastly, scrape down the bowl and add the cream, vanilla, and concentrated tea and mix well, but be careful not to overmix once you've added the cream. Put the frosting in a piping bag with a star tip. I use the Wilton 1M tip. Pipe a swirl of frosting on top of each cake, starting at the edge and working inwards. And then lastly, sift over the tea from a chai tea bag and enjoy. And thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and check out my cupcake playlist for more cupcake videos, and I'll see you next time.